Here are 3 reasons why bioidentical hormone replacement therapy is safe, and the Women's Health Initiative got it wrong. Number 1, the study used conjugated equine estrogen that came from horses' urine and progestin, which is chemically different than our own progesterone production. So take hormones that our body doesn't really recognize, and you wonder why things go wrong. Number 2, the participants that had an increased breast cancer risk were over 60 and had pre-existing conditions, and most had been in menopause for over 10 years. We found out at this point that it is best to go on hormone replacement therapy within 10 years of menopause. Number 3, there have been many quote-unquote lessons learned in looking back over the original research, and newer research has showed us in many cases HRT is safe for us, and BHRT, which is bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, is even safer because it actually has the same chemical makeup as our own hormones. Need some studies to show your doctor that BHRT is safe? Head over to my website. I have a brand new blog post that covers a ton of studies that you can hand right over to your doctor.